From long-term development blueprints and rural economy reforms to urban mobility upgrades and district-level governance reviews, here's a comprehensive look at the key developments shaping the state this week. This is Maharashtra 360. Maharashtra has unveiled a sweeping long-term vision to transform the Nagpur division into a major center for defense manufacturing, critical minerals and green industries. Chief Minister Fadnavis was present as the Viksit Nagpur 2047 Sustainable Development Plan was rolled out, outlining a structured roadmap for sustainable and job-led growth.
This vision is actually created through this report of Viksit Maharashtra, of Viksit Nagpur, because ultimately every development and every growth has to be equitable.
The plan projects investments worth 5.25 lakh crore rupees by 2047, with nearly 3/4 expected from private players. It aims to generate more than 9 lakh employment opportunities across sectors. The development framework focuses on defense manufacturing, critical minerals, green industries and high-value services. Chief Minister Fadnavis said Maharashtra is placing livestock at the heart of its strategy to strengthen the rural economy. Speaking after visiting the Maha Pashudhan Expo 2026 in Parli of Beed district, the Chief Minister underlined that integrating modern technology into animal husbandry can propel the state towards global leadership in milk production. The exhibition featured diverse livestock breeds including cattle, goats, horses and birds, alongside advanced dairy technologies, veterinary solutions and productivity-enhancing practices aimed at modernizing animal husbandry and strengthening climate-resilient rural livelihoods across Maharashtra. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has directed civic bodies across the Mumbai metropolitan region to fast-track comprehensive plans for introducing pod taxi services to improve last-mile connectivity. Chairing a detailed review meeting, Shinde underlined that thousands of commuters currently depend on rickshaws and buses to travel between homes, railway stations, metro corridors and workplaces, resulting in congestion and frequent traffic bottlenecks. The proposed pod taxi system will primarily target last-mile gaps by linking railway stations, metro hubs and key business districts. Authorities have been asked to prepare detailed project reports and identify feasible corridors within the MMR. The initiative will require close coordination between civic bodies and planning authorities to ensure technical and financial viability. Deputy Chief Minister Sunetra Pawar chaired crucial district planning and development council meetings in Beed and Pune, sending out a strong message on accountability and timely execution of public works. She stressed that development must not just be announced but delivered on the ground with discipline and transparency. The emphasis was clear, strict monitoring, zero delays and measurable outcomes across districts. In Beed, she approved 159 crore rupees for the construction of 11 hostels dedicated to children of migrant sugarcane workers. Pawar directed officials to ensure that the entire development fund is utilized strictly and transparently, that no work remains incomplete and that construction quality remains uncompromised. A spirited celebration of national unity and coastal security rolled into Mumbai as CISF's Vande Mataram Coastal Cyclothon made its way through the city under the theme Secure Coasts, Prosperous India. The cyclothon, part of a 25-day expedition covering India's long coastline, aims to raise awareness about coastal and maritime security challenges. Maharashtra Legislative Assembly Speaker Rahul Narvekar welcomed the cyclists near the Gateway of India, saying that despite India's diversity of languages and cultures, initiatives like this reflect the enduring spirit of national unity and integrity, supported by the dedicated service of security forces. And those were all the updates that we got for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.